Hi there, welcome to ECG Synergy. We're just doing a quick overview on how easy it is to fill out one of these forms. So this is the client side form. It's basically what you'd be using to add your job to the site so we can find contractors for you to do the work. So basically this can be anything. If you need a fence built, if you need a whole house built, if you need rock work done, if you need anything that you need a trade or a contractor for, then you're just gonna fill in the project title here, just kind of tell us what the job is, basically. Project type, be new build, renovations, roofing, just down the list, pick one. Then of course, describe your project. Now this is important. The best thing you can do for yourself is describe it as, well, be as descriptive as you can, like exactly what you want, what you picture, whatever you need to do to be able to, let us picture exactly what you want. And then it's easier for us to line you up with the contractors and explain what you're looking for. And that way we can narrow it down to whether they can take the job or not, or if they're interested or not. That's very good to have that description filled out and be very descriptive. Anyway, we'll move on from there. Project address or area. Basically, in this, you can just fill out your home address if you want, but if the project is going to be somewhere else at a different address, then it's best that you put in that address and not your home address, just so we know what part of the city or wherever it is. So when we do talk to contractors, they know what area that they'll be working in, and that will help them decide whether they want to take on the project or not as well. So jump ahead a tiny bit here. So project type. So is it a house, condo, multi-unit? Preferred start date within a month, 3 months, 6 months. Now, estimated budget range. This is important as well. You don't have to tell us your exact budget, obviously, but just give us a roundabout estimate. Existing issues or challenges. This is a good one. Basically, if there needs to be any demo done or anything that's kind of outside of the scope of actual getting the actual job that you described at the beginning, but it still needs to be done. Like a lot of times, like say you want a siding job done, well, we have to get rid of the old siding. So just anything like that, or anything that you can possibly think of. Then after that, you can upload photos or whatever if you have anything in the project. If you need to tell us anything more, go ahead. Tell us whatever you want, basically. But anything you need to add. Like this one, just go over the types of colors, basically, just simple stuff or whatever. I don't know, anything you can think of. Do you have permits yet? Sometimes you don't know if you need them. And then page 3. And this is basically just your contact information. So, full name, John Smith's role, homeowner, your phone number, email address, basically your preferred contact method, best time to reach you, yada yada yada. And then of course, do us a huge favor, tell us how you heard about us, because we spend an exorbitant amount of money on advertising, which is would be nice to avoid. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Super simple. You're ready to go. We will find you a contractor.